Hello guys, I'm gonna show you today if your computer is not booting up because of the blue dump with the blue color blue screen, which is not turning on your computer, and you think that it's a motherboard problem or is it the RAM, any other physical memory. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Alright, so first of all, this computer is not letting me to watch a movie or listening to song for about 15 minutes. After that it went stop, screen shatter, doesn't move anything, right? So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Okay, so first of all, this is the laptop, so flip it over and make sure your indicator is turned on with the charging thing. Alright, this is a charger and the computer is turned on right now. It doesn't turn on the screen. Okay, you got the power connected to it. Okay, and after here, so when you press the power button, it doesn't do anything. You see that? It doesn't move. So keep pressing it for 10 seconds or maybe 5 seconds. Your power will shut off from here, so there is no more power connected to it. This is just a charging cable. After that, flip it back, remove the charger, reconnect it, open it, press the power button once. You see that? It comes up with the other light and it goes off. So press it again. Oh. It comes up, you see that? And get into your laptop, logged in. Okay, so this is the problem. Like most of the time the Toshiba and the computer, they have most of the problem with the similar thing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Let's wait for it. It turns on for, I think, for 15 minutes and it goes off automatic, right? So I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, so give it as it is. I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot the problem first of all. Okay, and turn this computer off, then I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so before that, flip it back. This is the tools which is required. This is just like, it works as a helper. This is just a helper, right? You don't have to use this one, or you can use any other stuff, any other equipment, but this is the most important thing to open your screws. And right, so just give me a moment so that I can show you that before that. All right, let's do this here. Remove the charger, slip it back over. First of all, remove the battery. Keep it right here. And okay. Take it off over the flip. Take it off the cover and just put it in the backside. Alright, I'm gonna show you. This is the hard drive where it plays. This is a RAM, which is your random access memory, and this is the hard drive. Right, so first of all, I'm gonna remove the RAM, right, this and the hard drive also. So you need to put this one somewhere safe so that you don't lose it. Alright, so there's nothing connected to it. Everything is empty. Okay, so this is the RAM. RAM is working fine, and hard drive is also working fine. So all you have to do is that you need to check which one is heating, which one you feel the heat. If you keep it in your hand, test it one by one, you don't see any heat, that means your RAM is fine. If you find any heat, so this is the problem, right? So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so I just turned on the computer for 5 minutes and it start hitting the device, the chips, which is RAM and the hard drive. I just turned it on for 5 seconds. It started hitting up this, not instead of RAM, start hitting off this one. So we need to check. So remove this one, flip it back over, use the key, take this off. You will find a screw here, remove it as well, and you will find two, one here and second one right here. Just remove your keyboard from your computer. Okay, so gently, slowly, you got a lock right here, so you need to pull it up, the keyboard, and slowly flip it over. So whenever you open a keyboard, you should check it carefully, and this is the keyboard, yeah, like this. So keep it right here. So you will find this kind of stuff. Before you open your laptop, you need to remove the keyboard first, so that all the screws, 1 2 3 4 5, you need to remove this first, and then you can remove the backside here. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Remove this one, remove the cable. Alright, this is the mouse pad, and the click, the right hand and the left hand and the right hand. So you need to remove this one. Alright, first of all. And the second part, you can remove the speaker. Okay. And you can remove this one as well. Yeah. Flip it back and turn it over. Hit it on the back side. Open the screen. You will see the screwdriver. Screws it right here. So put it somewhere safe. Yeah, we got to find two more. So put it back in. And find no more screws right here. So just, I'm gonna put it a bit far. so that I can see it clearly. Okay. Alright. Okay. This one. So this is the DVD drive. If you pull it. Okay, so I just remove it, everything, all the screw from the computer, from the back side. I put the back. Oh wait, so I just start pulling out the cover. So here we go. So okay, from here I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay. I have already removed all the cover because it's not about the blow dump and which is not turning on the computer. It's about your computer also working very slow. So there's no way if you clean the junk file and the malware and the adware, if you clean it from the computer, it doesn't mean that your computer will speed up. Alright, so to complete the process, to complete this speed up the computer and troubleshoot the problem, which is asking for the blow dump and the physical damage, right? So I just like you to know that I just took it out all over the places. I took out the screws and I removed the cover, keyboard. I removed the back cover at the back side. Okay, so from here I'm gonna show you completely clean the computer. It's not about cleaning only the software, you need to clean the hardware as well. Okay, so first of all, you see here the fan. This is a processor heating fan. All right, so if I look at right here, there are a lot of dust. There are a lot. So yeah, a lot of dust, so we need to clean it. So we need to take it out the motherboard from here. Now we can take it out the fan, the cooling fan. Okay, and clean the fan and clean all this kind of dust on the motherboard. All right, so when you try to clean your motherboard, do not touch with your hand. I just touch it myself. Touch it gently because all the components should stay at the same place. It should not go, it's not damaged touching by metal thing. This is the iron metal, so yeah, so don't touch with this iron into your motherboard. Alright, so keep it as it is and remove the fan, check the heating and everything. Alright, just I'm gonna show you right now. So from here started, remove this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one as well. I just try to show you how to troubleshoot the physically damaged, which is the blue screen on the computer. Okay, so So this is the Ethernet cable. So push it a little bit harder, slowly, and remove it. Yeah. And this is the, if you see right here, this is the display cable, right? DVGA. This is connected to your monitor. Remove this, and this is the fan. You can keep it as is because it's attached to your motherboard, cooling fan and the cable. So put it over gently, and there we go. Flip it back over. Before you keep it on the table, you need to say something very important for the cable, right? You cannot toss it to the table directly because they have a lot of component in your motherboard. You need to take care of each of the component, right? So you do not have any damage on the component. All right. So this is, I just found the sponge. So you keep it here at the above that. So that this is the very soft thing, right? This is the very soft thing. So you better use this one. Give it back here, and yeah. The reason why I'm using this kind of thing because this is a soft thing. This is the very hard. So it will damage your chips and the component, right? So keep it as is. This is the safe way. So this is for reassembling the laptop so that it will speed up, cleaning the junk, cleaning the dust, and checking your heating. Why it's heating? So when you, for example, when you try to listen to any songs or watching movie, your laptop heats up a lot. So you get confused, like why my laptop is heat up and why my cooling fan is making a sound a lot. So this is the only way, right? So when you took it off all the screws from the here, like this, and yeah. So from here you can check all the dust. You can clean it up. I can see a lot of files. Okay, the most important thing is you need to check it right here. So if you find any kind of dust which is blocking the airflow, this is the cooling. When you hit the air in here, it should comes up here. So this is the processor where it's placed, right? So I need to remove this one as well. It's not moving up, it's very tight, so I need to use this one. You don't have to press a lot of pressure and use it. Just put it with the other hand and pull it over. Yeah. Go now. Sumaina tawraga lawthok matamda kitang tapna ingna leithokpiyo natragadi masi yamna sokalle hai aduna si loi lawthoedana. After you put it up all the stuff, so after you unscrew the screws, and looking right here, put it with the screwdriver and just okay, it's kind of hard. Okay, So this is the lock. When you press that, it should comes up here. So you need to clean it. Alright, this is the procedure. You can put it over. You can remove it. You need to check it right here. You see that? You need to clean this one and put it the new one again, okay? So that your computer, your laptop will not heat up again. So this is the heating page. You can say page. Okay, so check it out. This is a procedure like where you store everything and the computer start working and everything. All right, so you need to check this one right here. Put it right here. You can put it anywhere in this plate. So I'm gonna show you how to clean it, and it's gonna take a bit of time because your laptop is not working properly and you are frustrated of cleaning your computer using any software like antivirus or something like that, so you don't have to use it. You can use antivirus on the hard drive because your hard drive is not functioning properly, so you need to check the RAM and the slots. All right, so this is the slots. At the end of the work, I'm gonna have to clean this on as well. So it seems like you got a lot of dust in here, so you need to clean the RAM. You need to check the heating process. You need to clean it and a little bit changes into your laptop. All right, so everything will be fine after that. Okay, so this is the procedure, and I need to check it out right here slowly. All right, you don't have to press it. No physical heat, just a little bit. Clean it up. Push it over. Just because of this, your computer gives you heat a lot. So we need to clean it up. So you can rub your processor, because this is a very soft thing. So you can use this. Instead of using a brush, this is the only perfect way. After you clean this, you see that everything clean now. Keep it right here and check it right here. Okay, even this have to clean it. Okay, about the terminal page, this is page, right? About page, if you go to the market in India, like if you go to the market, it's gonna cost you around 20 to 25 rupees, or maybe 15 rupees in the syringe for the 20 ml. So if you think that is not working very fine, I'm gonna show you the second option for where you can use the page instead of the original, or it should work it at the same way. Okay, so just if you can't find any page on the market, this is the second option. This is just in two page. All right, so what you can do, put it over cover and use it just a little bit. Put it on your processor here. One more, a little bit more. Put it on here. and the middle. So keep it as it is. It should work now. This is just a second option, alright? You can use it anytime. So it should work as like a time and page, okay? So keep it as this. Clean up. Before you do that, you need to check it right here. You see that everything is clean now. I have cleaned it everything, because before it was nothing right here. You cannot see anything. If this is blocked, you need to clean it. You need to find here. You see that? So well, seems like everything clean now. Okay. So I have already put it in here. Flip it back over. Keep it right here in your hand. And this is the fan. Just put it and back side and flip it over. Keep it right here. You have to be a patient, alright? Be patient. You have to do it gently. There's nothing hurry. Just do it slowly, one by one. Okay. I'm gonna show you off that. Okay, so this is the previous lamp. This is where it was before into your laptop, alright? So this is perfectly working fine to the other laptop, but this is like it's on your laptop before. This is the original one, which comes up along with your computer, and this is the second one. Okay, this is the second one. So I'm gonna check it out, which one is working perfectly fine. Alright, and this is your external hard drive. So I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot the blue dump, and the cleaning your computer is already done, and it's only left the reassemble the laptop. Alright, so this is the external one. So I'm gonna use this instead of I'm gonna use this one as well. So this one is your previous one. This one is the new one. Not the new one, this is the old one. So I've got 5 laptops, so I just took it off on other computer. So I'm gonna use it into this computer, okay? So this one is having trouble. Any of this. Either RAM or hard drive is having problems. So I'm gonna use this one, okay? You can put the RAM at Kingston. It works more faster or reliable. So put it right here. Press it a little bit, and here. So everything's set up. Okay. So if you look at right here, if you're not inserting your RAM properly, it comes up at the top. So press it a little bit, and press down to set up. This is the cover. Okay. I'm gonna show you the reassemble the laptop. Okay, so right there, put it back in, open it gently, just do it quickly. Okay, don't follow my instruction, because I just did it quickly because I have already done this before, so I knew the places where it was. So whoever the first person is trying to follow my step, please do not do very fast. Alright, you need to be patient. Okay, do it gently. So put it right here. Put it back. This is the speaker, so you need to put it here. Okay, to the port. Okay, before you put it, I request you to go ahead and do not unplug the cable, any of them. Okay, so disconnected everything. Try to put the correct screw like this. So I just started everything. After you screw the screws, put it back here, put it back to display. Okay, so do not get confused. Here, when you connect with this, you need to check it. Which one is black? Which one is the white one? You will have two. Okay. After that, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. So I just put it everything. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna show you do it. I'll do it very quickly. Go ahead and connect the power cable. Okay. And this speaker. Connect it that wrong. First of all, you have to put back in normal pace. Yeah. Okay. So check it. You can flip it back or flip it over. Everything's fine now. You can screw the box here and put it here. So if you remember, before that was a 5, right? I should give it 5. So nothing left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Everything's perfect now. Go ahead and connect the USB. The mouse and the keyboard, mouse and the pad. Everything is fine now. Go ahead, before you connect the keyboard, just go ahead and check it. All your stuff is working fine. Okay, flip it back, flip it over, put in the battery. I have already inserted RAM, right? So you can check the display now. So over, press the power button. See that? It comes up automatic without any problem, okay? This is just check the cable connection. So this is the hard drive. I have removed the hard drive, so press the power button, turn it off, the back. So I'm going to use the first one, okay, before I change it. So this should be tight there. So you can keep it as this. Keep it back. You can try to turn on the computer. So press this and see what happened after that. Okay, you don't see any problem, no? You see that? Everything comes up normally. What you have to do is like cleaning the junk from the cooling fan, changing the page. I just replace it with the Colgate, which is the toothpaste, and or maybe the any of the brand, right? You can this is the perfect one. You can do this as well. You can either you want to use the original or you want to use this one. This is the cable, alright? So turn it off. Everything's fine. So flip it back over. I'm gonna show you completely after that. I'll just turn it off. Turn off the computer. And use this one cable, okay? This is the new keyboard. I just changed it because my computer has a lot of problem, because when I turn on my computer there was a lot of beep sound. So this video is all about fixing all kind of problem at the same time, okay? Number one point, I received the beep sound on the computer, so I just changed the keyboard. After that everything's fine. I kill the beep sound. After beep sound, I find out my laptop has a lot of heat on the computer. So after I receive heat, there are a lot of a cooling fan sound, and the physically blue dump, which is a blue screen. You got all the numbers on the screen. That one, I received that. So recently I've just fixed it, and I just changed the keyboard, right? If you receive any kind of beep sound, which is 8 sound, like dit dit dit, like something like that, so when you hear that sound, we'll have to check on the keyboard first, alright? This is a very brand new keyboard. I just changed it recently. I think a day ago, yesterday, or day before yesterday, I changed the keyboard. So after I changed it, I found everything is fine with the I killed the sound. There's no more sound, alright? There's no way you can fix the motherboard or the keyboard, alright? So I just changed the keyboard, and after that everything is fine. So put it back over and insert the cable gently. So when you put in the keyboard, you need to carefully put in the cable, alright? Because if you put it the wrong way, your keyboard, whatever is the brand new or is it the old one, your keyboard will not start up, will not detect some kind of keyboard keys, number B, C, A, or something like that. Any number will not detect into your keyboard, okay? So you need to be very careful when you put it out. It's not going to, but I'm going to try it again, okay? Okay, I'm gonna use this. A lot of masses. So put it back over. Slowly tighten the keyboard. This is the last one where you can cover it. Alright, so everything's perfect now. Flip it back or flip it back in. Turn on the computer. You will find nothing. I believe so. It should work now. Let's wait for it. So because you got very less memory onto your laptop, I have got 2 GB of it. So right now I'm gonna have it 4 GB, alright, so that I can speed up the speed a little bit. So it was 2 GB, so I'm gonna show you at the same time, okay? How to speed up your computer as well. So it's not about cleaning and reinstalling the operating system of your computer. That may be Microsoft Windows 7 or Microsoft Windows 8, 8.1 or 8.1 or 10. It's not gonna speed up your computer because your computer is a very oldest one. So I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna upgrade the RAM and physical memory, which is random access memory. So I'm gonna upgrade that, alright, as well. So before I upgrade the computer, I just check it. The computer is working fine, perfectly, alright. So I just clean the, if you watched it carefully, so I'm just cleaning everything. I just do it very quickly because I know how to do it before. So this is something like I have done it already before. So this is something like I have no problem with it. I can check it anywhere, my computer, and there's nothing. Like I just cleaned everything recently. Okay, so I don't find any of the error on the computer. So whoever using the oldest computer, I request you to go ahead and upgrade the RAM, switch it to random access memory. I just got a 2 GB RAM on the computer, right? So I'm gonna upgrade into the 8 GB of RAM so that you can use your computer more than 2 to 5 years more. So this is the only way, right? So hopefully you enjoy the video. So after that, I'm gonna upgrade the RAM, okay? So I have got more. If I just for timing, okay, if I flip it over, I just got 1. So I'm gonna use it 4, okay? I'm gonna use it 2. Before that, turn it all over. Click the power button. Okay, turn it off completely so that I can change the memory, okay? After I change the memory, I believe my computer will work perfectly fine, okay? My video is all about cleaning your computer by yourself. It's not about you have to take the laptop into the local store or to any other authorized website or any other authorized place. If you go to that place, it's gonna cost you a lot. Maybe in Indian rupees, it's gonna cost you around 1,000 rupees or 2,000. You have to pay that. So my keyboard cost me 600 rupees, and after I change it, I find out my computer works very fine. So this is all about my fixing my own device. All right, so I just turn off the computer, put it back in. This is the video drive, put it over, and upgrading the RAM. Just watch me, okay? So I have got another 2 GB. This is the 2 GB more, so just put it here. Put it a bit harder, and yeah, so I got 8 GB, 4 GB now, okay? And let's see how is my speed. All right, computer speed. Back in. If you receive any screen stutter, or if while you're watching any movie or listening any songs, if you have any trouble, go ahead and check the RAM. All right, number 1 point. Go ahead and check the hard drive. Remove the hard drive and put it back in again. So I just did that. I changed it, everything. I haven't changed the hard drive, okay? I just changed the hard drive. I haven't changed the hard drive, I'm sorry. My hard drive is in the proper way. So then my next video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your hard drive. So this is just a chip. I just built the USB. So this is the second option. In the market, you can buy this one or this cable, so that your hard drive will become an external drive. Okay. I'm going to show you after that. Just now you received the screen was shattered when I upgraded my RAM into 4 GB. So it means like cannot upgrade the 4 GB because there is some kind of issue with the motherboard. So my next video will be upgrading the RAM and fixing the motherboard. Alright, so keep watching my video so that I can help you some of them. So turn off the computer because I've got some kind of issue, some kind of problem with the RAM slot. Right, so I'm gonna fix it. This is perfectly fine. Let's see what happened after this, okay? I don't think I will find any of the issue with the 2 GB RAM, because you cannot go and upgrade the RAM to 4 GB, because I've got some kind of problem with the motherboard. So for the blue dump, I believe if you receive any blue dump like error code or something like that, go ahead and check RAM, check it out all over the place, right? Keyboard, unassemble the computer if you can do it. So you can follow my instructions. It's very easy, it's not that very tough. You can do it by yourself. All right, so I don't see any of the error right now, because I just removed the RAM from the computer. This one right here at the back side, so I just put it right here. So, all right, you see that this is the RAM. So if I put it 8 GB, it doesn't work. I'm sorry, 4 GB, it doesn't work now. So I just took it off over. This is the computer. It's working perfectly fine now. All right. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So if I miss out something, if you think that I'm not explaining very well, so you can leave the comment below, and you can like my video, and you can subscribe it so that I can show you more, so that I can help you more about the fixing your own device. I'm gonna show you the next video, and the next video will be fixing your own device, right? So it's gonna be totally different, and it's gonna enjoy your it's gonna enjoy it. So that's all. So if you like it, you can subscribe it, or you can like my video. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off. Other thing I'm gonna show you the next video is something like how to fix your motherboard, which is your RAM slot is not working, because whenever you try to upgrade your computer, you're not able to do it. All right, so that will be the next video. So this video, if you think that my videos helped you a lot, then you can follow my instruction, and you can like my video, or you can do anything whatever you want it. All right, so bye for today. So next video will be fixing your own device. So I don't have anyone, so I'm gonna fix it right now. Okay, next video will be, it will help you a lot. All right, so keep thank you for watching me, and hope you enjoy my video. All right, so bye for now. Bye bye.